Hi guys, welcome back to my channel. So in this tutorial we will learn about FL Studio 21. This tutorial is gonna be for people who just want to start with FL Studio and who are just kinda beginners. If you're interested in downloading FL Studio, you can easily do so by visiting the official website ImageLine. There you'll find the necessary resources to acquire this powerful music production software and embark on your creative journey. One of the standout features of FL Studio is its commitment to user satisfaction, offering a unique advantage of lifetime free updates. With your initial purchase, you not only gain access to the current version, but also ensure that you receive all future updates at no additional cost, allowing you to stay on the cutting edge of music production without any extra expenses. FL Studio caters to a diverse range of users with its 4 distinct versions, each tailored to different needs and preferences. The pricing varies based on the features offered in each version. For beginners, I would recommend starting with either the Fruity or Producer edition, as they provide a comprehensive yet user-friendly set of tools to kickstart your music production journey without overwhelming you with advanced features. Before making your purchase decision, it's a smart move to explore FL Studio by downloading its fully featured trial version, available for both Windows and Mac. This allows you to test the waters, experience the software's capabilities firsthand, and ensure it aligns with your creative needs before committing to the full purchase. I hope you found this introductory tutorial helpful. If you're eager to dive deeper into the world of FL Studio, make sure to subscribe to my channel for upcoming tutorials.